Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian, this is Pop at 50, and today I'm bringing you a Patreon request. This one's Craig David, whom we've never had on the channel before, and that's awesome because that's what we're about here, is discovering awesome stuff and then coming back to it if it proves in fact to be awesome. This one's Rain. If, I forgot to do something here that will keep me out of trouble a little more. There we go. If you're ready, I'm ready. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll pop. Super basic chord structure and progression there. Yeah, as there's none. Guys working on one chord.
I'm talking for hours. Lately the silence got louder. Now when I call I can't even get through. Yeah, feels like we're losing each other, and I don't think we can recover.
Well, crap. All right, what's the pool on what he compares the rain to? Tears?
Know that you're feeling some type of way too. Yeah, you don't have to say, 'cause I already know things ain't the same.
That's
but
sad.
I thought it would blow over. Thought we could patch it up. Guess I was wrong, end of the day.
That sucks. I hate hearing how people are losing what they perceive to be a good thing with somebody else. Mainly because I've never really had anyone to lose. So it makes it that much more pointful when somebody else is like, you had it. Well, I'm so sorry it happened. You have to now feel what I feel every damn day.
Hey, I gotta move on. Thought I found the words to say. Played it in my head a million times. Now we're standing face to face. So much harder looking in your eyes. Whole world might change as soon as we go our separate ways.
Whole world might change as soon as we go our separate ways. Damn. It's very pointful. It's very pointful.
Blue skies turn gray. Now all I see on my window pane is rain, rain.
All right, so nobody won the pool because there was no metaphor. It's actual rain.
Last night I ran into your mother. That's what's making this tougher.
Oh, man.
She told me that I turn your house to a home again. All of my mates say don't bother, and I should just go find another.
Oh, that little complete drop of the accompaniment there. Oh. And I should just go find another. Like it's that easy. Thanks, mates. Your brilliant strategies are just, they're going to heal the world.
They tell me it's over and I should quit hoping. You don't have to say.
You got shit mates.
'Cause I already know things ain't the same. But I thought it would blow over. Thought we could patch it up. Guess I was wrong, end of the day.
I was hoping for a less sad song today. It's already been a very long morning because I couldn't sleep and I woke up at like 4:25 or some shit. And now you're making me sad. What are you doing to me?
I gotta move on. Thought I found the words to say. Played it in my head a million times. Now we're standing face to face. So much harder looking in your eyes. Whole world might change as soon as we go our separate ways. Blue skies turn gray. Now all I see on my window pane is rain, rain.
I do like that delivery of the rain, though. I do like that. I'd like to be less sad now, please.
Rain, rain. My heart don't feel no better underneath this umbrella rain.
Well, no, it's going to take time, dude. You just broke up this afternoon.
My heart don't feel no better. I don't want the stormy weather to stay.
Oh, I don't want the stormy weather to stay. Which is a crazy thing to say because it's completely overcast out there right now. And if Gil No Soul Simmons on Channel 8 News here is any indicator, it will rain today.
Thought I found the words to say, played it in my head a million times. Now we're standing face to face, so much harder looking in your eyes. Whole world might change as soon as we go our separate ways. Blue skies turn gray, now all I see in my window pane is rain, rain. Rain, rain. My heart don't feel no better underneath this umbrella rain.
Man, why you bring me this stuff today? It's a super simple song. It gets its point across effectively, and I don't want to feel like this now. This next one better be pretty hot. I appreciate it though. This was brought to you by one of the long-standing members of the Patreon, patreon.com/Super Jedi Knight. Wow, that just... Maybe I'll just go have a break and play a video game and get hype up again before I do the next video. I don't know. Keep popping, babies.